Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how you make skin whitening tomato facial in just easier way at home. Tomato help in smoothing the skin and even the anti-aging properties. Skin lightening or skin bleaching is an cosmetic procedure that aims to lighten dark areas of skin with generally paler skin tone. In this remedy I want to show you how you make your own facial scrub in just 2 minutes. To make this remedy we will need few natural ingredients like tomato juice. Applying tomato juice on your face mask skin that cause of your skin brighter and radiate while reducing pigmentation, dullness and dark spots. Second is honey. Honey helps your body healing process which may help fat, and you can use honey as a spot treatment on scalp, applying it every day. Now we just make the remedy. Simply just add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste into the mixture. In the second we just add 1 teaspoon of honey into the mixture. Mix it well. And the scrub is ready to use.